Did you know that everything around us, from the chair you're sitting on to the air you breathe, is made up of tiny particles called atoms? It's true. Atoms are the fundamental building blocks of matter, so tiny that you need a super powerful microscope to see them. Just like how Lego blocks can be assembled in countless ways to create different structures, atoms combine to form all the different substances we encounter in our daily lives. Understanding atoms helps us understand how the world works at its most basic level. Now, let's delve into the heart of an atom. At the center of every atom lies a nucleus, which is like a tiny sun in the center of our solar system. This nucleus is made up of two types of particles, protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive electrical charge, like the plus sign on a battery. Neutrons, on the other hand, have no charge. They are neutral, like a referee in a game. The number of protons in an atom determines what element it is. For example, all carbon atoms have 6 protons. But that's not all. Whizzing around the nucleus like planets orbiting the sun are even tinier particles called electrons. Electrons carry a negative electrical charge, like the minus sign on a battery. They are much lighter than protons and neutrons and are constantly in motion. Imagine an atom as a bustling city. The nucleus, with its protons and neutrons, is like the central business district, while the electrons are like busy commuters zipping around on highways. These highways are actually specific energy levels or shells that the electrons occupy. The first shell, closest to the nucleus, can hold up to 2 electrons. The second shell can accommodate up to 8, and so on. The arrangement of electrons in these shells determines how an atom interacts with other atoms and forms chemical bonds. Now that we've explored the basics of atomic structure, here are some questions to get you thinking. 1. If atoms are mostly empty space, remember the analogy of the bustling city? Why doesn't your hand just pass through a solid object? 2. What happens when an atom gains or loses an electron? And 3. How do scientists study something as small as an atom? The world of atoms is full of fascinating mysteries and incredible discoveries. By understanding the basic principles of atomic structure, we can unlock the secrets of the universe around us.